And to our Oreo crumbs, we're going to add 5 tablespoons of butter. Oreo crusts that you can buy, however, they're definitely not as good as the homemade one, so I'm going to show you how to make one homemade. I've got 22 Oreo cookies in here, and I'm going to let them go until they're nice and fine. And to our Oreo crumbs, we're going to add 5 tablespoons of butter. Okay, that's ready for the oven. I'm going to put it in for 10 minutes at 350. Okay, now we're going to crush up the other Oreos that are going to go in the pie. I've got 23 Oreos here, and if you buy a family pack, you'll have just the right amount. You use like 22 for the crust and 23 for the filling. Or if you buy a party size pack, then you'll have some left over. So I'm going to crush these, but not to the same extent that I did the crust, because we don't want it to be just powder. We want chunks of cookies. So the filling is super easy. It's just cream cheese, 1/3 cup of peanut butter, and you can omit the peanut butter if you want, and it would just be cookies and cream, no peanut butter, but I just love the combination of chocolate and peanut butter, so that's the way I make it, but you can leave the peanut butter out if you'd like. So I'm going to mix this up with a mixer. If your cream cheese was cold, it won't beat very well, so if it's cold, put it in the microwave for about 15 seconds so it softens up. Real hard cream cheese is hard to mix up. So now we're going to add the Cool Whip, and you can add, the Cool Whip comes in different sizes, 6 ounces, 12 ounces, and 16 ounces. I'm going to use the whole 16 ounces because I'm using that double dish pie pan, and I want there to be a lot of filling. But you could use 2 small ones to equal 12 ounces, or you could use one of the 12-ounce ones, or you can just use the whole thing and have a nice high pie. Okay, so I let the crust cool for about an hour, and now I'm going to put the filling in it that I made. So now I'm going to sprinkle it with some extra Oreos. Okay, so there we go. There's our pie. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge for a couple hours and let it sit up, and then I will cut a slice and show you what it looks like.